1991 Mercedes-Benz 300e 2.6. Price, $6,950. Location, Colorado. The 1991 Mercedes-Benz 300e 2.6 is the kind of luxury sedan that reminds the world why the W124 generation became one of the most respected cars ever built by Mercedes-Benz. Finished in the stunning factory pearl blue metallic color with a deep blue interior, this classic German sedan carries an elegant presence that still turns heads. More than 3 decades later. From the chrome accents to the iconic Gullydeckel wheels, everything about this car screams timeless sophistication. The moment you open the door, you step into an era when Mercedes focused more on engineering perfection than flashy technology. The wood veneer trim, classic VDO gauges, analog clock, and clean dashboard layout create a cabin atmosphere that feels rich, solid, and incredibly durable. Every button clicks with confidence. Every switch feels mechanical and precise. And the entire interior reflects the legendary build quality that made these cars famous across the world. The 2.6-liter inline-six engine delivers smooth and reliable power through an automatic transmission that was built for effortless cruising. This is not a car that begs to race at traffic lights. Instead, the 300e glides down the road with quiet confidence, giving passengers a refined driving experience that modern cars often fail to replicate. The suspension absorbs bumps beautifully, while the power steering and four-wheel disc brakes provide a balanced and comfortable ride. The W124 platform earned legendary status because of its incredible durability. In Europe, these sedans became famous as long-distance taxis, often traveling hundreds of thousands of miles while remaining dependable year after year. That reputation transformed the 300e into more than just a luxury sedan. It became a symbol of German engineering excellence. Even today, enthusiasts around the world continue hunting for clean examples because they know these cars were truly built to last forever. The features inside this Mercedes still feel impressive today. Power seats, cruise control, air conditioning, power windows, a factory sunroof, and the classic FM/AM radio all combine to create a luxury experience that remains enjoyable decades later. Unlike modern cars overloaded with complicated electronics, the 300e keeps everything simple, elegant, and functional. That simplicity is exactly what makes this Mercedes so charming and desirable among collectors today. The best part is the value. At just $6,950, this 1991 Mercedes-Benz 300e 2.6 offers an incredible opportunity to own a true modern classic without spending a fortune. Whether you are a collector, a first-time classic car buyer, or simply someone who appreciates timeless automotive craftsmanship, this W124 delivers style, comfort, and legendary reliability in one beautiful package. Few cars from the early 1990s have aged with this much grace. And that is exactly why the Mercedes-Benz 300e remains an icon today.